Hello everyone, in front of me is REALME 15x, and let me show you how to perform a virus scan. So at first open your phone manager and now just mark viruses and risks. And that's it. If you want to make sure, just scan again. Your device will scan itself like without any further action, so just wait till it's done. And that's it. Here we've got the information. You can perform storage cleanup if you wish. Also, if your device is not secure and if there is any threat detected, you will also be informed and you'll be able to remove this threat from here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.